Hello dear friends, you have come to the channel where amazing trades and other crazy things happen in the world of trading. My name is James and I'm a professional trader with more than 5 years of experience in trading. And in today's video I will conduct trades with the help of which you and I, dear friends, will accelerate our balance, and as a real gentleman, your friend in business, will share these strategies with you, conducting them on not unknown exchange called QUOTEX. This is a wonderful exchange with high functionality, excellent reputation. The link, by the way, in the description below this video. And also in my private Telegram channel for real VIPs, where I share very important insider information and just news in the world of trading. Well, let's get started. But before we start, don't forget to click on like, subscribe to the channel, write any comment, because that's how our channel is promoted on the YouTube platform, and it's you who can help us move up in the system. So let's hit that subscribe button with all our might and press all sorts of bells, power yourself your favorite soft drink, and guys, let's start. Dear friends, I propose to start our financial balance together. At the moment I'm going to trade on the currency market, and in particular I'm considering the pair New Zealand dollar to Swiss franc. This pair seems to me promising with great opportunities for profit at this moment in time. So please take a few seconds to give me a quick technical analysis. Alright, let me show you, my friends. We have a resistance level from the past support. We had the same time with the same level in the past. We broke it on impulse, then we got up. We couldn't break it. We thought we would break it, but we went down. Now we are also under this level, and we have a support level here from which we'll probably push up and go up, and we will approach this level. RSI is in a comfortable zone for us, about 50%. With all factors considered, I conclude that the best strategy would be to enter this trade fully on the upside. During trades I can speed up the video sequence, or I can tell you topical stories happening in our trading world so that your knowledge base increases exponentially. So, the story of George Soros and the crash of the British pound 1992. In the early 1990s, George Soros, an American financial magnate and investor, became known for his successful trading in the currency markets. One of his most famous and successful events was the crash of the British pound in September 1992. Soros and his quantum fund noticed that the Bank of England was engaged in non-promoting rate policy and buying pounds to support their exchange rate. This led to a situation where the pound was becoming overvalued and under pressure in the market. Soros and his fund decided to take advantage of this situation and started short selling the British pound, which meant that they were selling pounds they didn't really have, but they hoped that their price would fall. Gradually, the pound began to lose its value. When the Bank of England realized that it couldn't keep the value of the pound high, it had to abandon its support policy and allowed the pound to grow to a more reasonable level. This led to a sharp fall in the pound's exchange rate. Soros and his foundation were able to make a huge amount of money by selling pounds at the top of the market and closing their positions when the price fell. His profits are estimated in billions of dollars, and this event is considered one of the most successful and famous trades in history. Our trade came to the end and we made $378, so that's great. Let's proceed to the next one. Now I show how I will trade the dollar to the Canadian dollar. The rate of this pair is very curious. Let me make a little look at this situation better. Okay. To be honest, I expected more from this course, but in principle, it is also entertaining. I just would like to find the most interesting trades for you, but my main goal is to show you exactly how you can make money on anything. In general, we have a descending channel where the price goes back and forth. Now it is consolidating for an exit, but I expect the price to go lower. RSI is in the comfort zone, so here we have a level that we are starting to break a little bit. All I have to do is make a final decision in that it is worth investing $200 in an uptrend. So let's see how our deal is, and I already see that it will be bringing us profit. What do you think, guys? Write in the comments. Basically, our deal has come to an end, and we have earned about $378. Technical analysis is like a sword for a samurai. Without it is just a game of luck. Let's move on to the next trade. Dear friends, I made a decision to settle on the dollar to Turkish lira currency pair, and I would like to share with you my reasoning behind the choice. Because we have horizontal resistance level and a sloping support level that we are aiming for, at this point we're consolidating to further break the level, plus the RSI is oversold, so we need to be careful. I will be entering this trade on an uptrend for $200 again. I will speed up this moment so as not to stretch the video and waste your precious time, because time is money. Well, the deal is done and we got $378. It's going very well. That's basically the only way I'm doing it. Let's move on to the fourth trade of the day. I chose the euro to Japanese yen because we have horizontal level in the chart that we broke through. On the main plan, we have a global downtrend which started after this consolidation after the price rise. Now I expect a further descent or a retest of this level and then a descent. The RSI at the oversold level is also telling us that, so I will enter the downtrend at $200. Stocks indices in the United States went up after a weaker than expected October jobs report in the country boosted hopes that the Federal Reserve would refrain from further interest rate. Wall Street's major indexes posted strong gains Thursday and are on track for significant weekly gains, helped by renewed hopes that the era of unprecedented monetary tightening may be coming to an end following the Federal Reserve's decision to leave interest rates unchanged for a second straight meeting. The Dow Blue Chip Index is up 4.4 this week, matching its best weekly growth since October 2022. The broad-based S&P index is up 4.9% this week, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq is up 5.2%, both experiencing their best week since last November. The US economy added to 1,500,000 jobs in October, less than the 1,800,000 expected and down from 33,500 in September. The unemployment rate rose to $3.9 from 3.8. Yeah. So while average hourly earnings rose 0.2% below expectations. Here in principle the deal has come to an end and we have $380. Now we will make the final fifth deal and you can go on your own journey through the trader's waves. On the last trade, I will trade the euro to the pound sterling. Let's see if I will be able to seal today's video with our common victory or embarrass myself in front of you as another miracle trader. Let's hope for the best. It's the market after all. Let me just have a better look at the chart and I will tell you about it. Okay, so the chart is surprisingly very interesting. Now I will tell you what is so remarkable about it and why it will help us make money. We have very good levels here and here. What can we say? We had a strong impulse here after the descent, and this impulse held at this level, bounced back, but we couldn't hold. And this level became a mirror level. We tried to break it, but it didn't work. And now we have to go down to this level where we can bounce off it and then go even lower. So for that reason, I'm deciding that this is going to be downtrend. The deal is on. Now we will find out what I'm really worth, and right now then you take these strategies and already plan your own techniques and tools from them to achieve your own goals. Let's just watch the chart move in silence and see the result. Perfect. Today we went through without a single defeat and increased our capital by a pretty decent amount of money. Don't be afraid of the market, be afraid of yourself and ill-considered decisions. And at this point, dear friends, I have to end our video. As you can see, today we managed to achieve our goals, and as a true businessman, we increased our balance by a couple more amazing zeros. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the bell to get all the notifications about new videos as soon as they come online. And also do not forget about Telegram channel for real VIPs, that is for you, of course. In it you will find a lot of important information for successful transactions and good mood. So I'm always with you guys, and bye.